Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to integrate co2.js, or at least what it will look like within Matomo. So what is co2.js? As written over here, this is an open source JavaScript library which enable you to know the emissions related to the use, in our case, of a website. So the idea is that when a page is loading, co2.js is gonna measure out the let's say the emissions related to somehow the weights of the page. I really would like to thank Farshad Irani for helping me setting this up everything this morning. So he has a GitHub repository on which you can already give it a try. So the idea is that you can pick up the library, put it on your website, and then we're going to see how does it work when it comes to Matomo. So here is the demo project. So here co2.js is already on the given page. As you can see here, the consumption of this page is 1.832 grams. If I reload it, as you can see, I'm getting as well the consumption of it. And so what's next? So dealing with this page, we have here Matomo Tag Manager, and over here we have a data layer in order to get the information thanks to the script, which is, as you can see here, all way above it. So you get it here, I guess. And you get it here also. Okay, so then we have a tag manager in which we have an event. In my case, I'm delaying this event because I don't want to send it at the page load. It needs a bit more time in order to get it. Then I put it as the event category consumption. Event action is the page. Page URL is a dynamic one. And what I want, instead of having this, I want here to pick up the value of the data layer. All good. And then I have my timer. So if I just publish these parts out, okay, let's go. So if we look at the time, it's currently 2:12. And then if I refresh my page, I'm going to see that I'm going to get my events, which is sent. Here we can have a look at it, and we see that the event value is 1.832. And then if I look into my Matomo over here, I'm getting the information, which is over here, as you can see. So I know that this given page has been loaded. This is the consumption, this is the page localhost, and this is the total consumption. So what's next that I can do? I can go within the events, and here I'm starting to get, in fact, the total consumption of my website. And then if I have, for example, Mistral AI, which is installed, in my case, not working as expected, of course. So if I do test, will it work? No, of course, it's not working. So if I go back over here, plugins, manage plugins, Mistral AI, it needs to be updated. So I'm just going to update it. Okay, okay. And now if I go back over here, I test it. Okay. I guess it's not working because we are playing locally here. So that may be the reason why it's not working. But what we could do technically here, thanks to AI, test. Yeah, what we could do thanks to AI, if I wasn't on local, I could definitely tell him, okay, that's my total consumption in terms of carbon. So can you please tell me what does this value means compared to the emissions coming from a car, for example, or coming from whatever other thing. And then people will be able to have in context the total consumptions of their website, and then know about, is it better than having like 5 salesperson who are taking their car to go and promote the company.